Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Today I just want to do a really quick video and show you how to deadhead your petunias so you get maximum blooms. It's really easy, but it's really important as well. So you just find the dead flowers when they're completely dead and you pull the bloom off. And that is it. That's all deadheading on these petunias are. You find the dead blooms and you pluck them off. Find the dead blooms and you pluck them off. And that's it. That is all there is to deadheading petunias. And every time you deadhead one, you're gonna get a lot more. I've had people pull all their blooms off so that they get a whole bunch of flowers at one time. But I don't like to do that. I like to constantly have blooms. I don't want just a green plant for a day. So I deadhead mine every evening. Every evening. You just gotta go around and look for all the ones that have passed by. And it's really that simple. There's nothing to it. There's nothing to it. There's no science. There's no great gardening skills needed. You just find the dead blooms and you pull them off. Any that are wilting and faded. I like to take the ones that have any brown off too. See, this one's kind of wilting. I'll pluck that one. And that's it, guys. I said this was going to be a short video, so I'm going to end it and finish plucking my dead petunias so that after I deadhead, I get a lot more blooms tomorrow. Okay, guys, that's really all it is. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you like this kind of stuff, enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.